It is Bro Cracker back again with another brick killing. We got a nice one here, boys. Bikini Beach. These ain't the good ones, but these are very good crackers, by the way. 60-10s. 60-10s. So she's tattered and torn, and boy is she worn out. I have one more left that I'm not going to touch, but we're going to have to mutter her up with, this is an auto knife, right? I don't think we're going to use that one. Should we use this giant switchblade? Yeah. We're going to use this. The Inox. Very rare little guy here. That's all we need. Just a little bit of that, and that's over. Now, I do want to keep this label, for sure, guys. Now, I had lots and lots and lots, lots of packs of this stuff, but I did get rid of a majority of my collection. So, like usual, when you open a brick, always hit it from the back, boys. Now, there's a little film on here, so it can't get to the packs yet, so I'm going to pull out this switchblade. Just going to give it a nice little couple of those. I should be able to get in there. Oh, I do see the red band there. Yeah, I do see it. And let's go ahead. Let's get the big boy out for this now. Here's size comparison. That's actually an Inox. Insane. Oh, that one's insane, so let's try it again. I'm not using my camera stand this time. I do see a band in here. Right there. One on both sides. So what you want to do for that, now, most pyros peel and pick packs. Or you can be like Bro Cracker and just say, negative on that and just use a knife. So here we go. Bikini Beach woodpeckers. To hold one of these. Beautiful. And you gotta do it, boys. Take it easy.